Hey guys, it's Anya. Welcome back to my channel. We are in Lowe's today. Lonnie, come back. We're in Lowe's today. I'm trying to redecorate a toy bike that I got. It was for a boy, and I want to make it a little bit more girl friendly. So we're in here right now trying to get like some spray paint and stuff like that so that I can remake over this bike. So hopefully it turns out okay. It's my first time, but we gonna see. Right now she's wiping her hand because, you know, coronavirus. Ooh, it's getting real. All right, y'all. Let's go. 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 All right. Okay. Hey, my mom. Come over here. What color do you want for your bike? Yeah, pick a color. It's white. It's black.
No.
It's pink. You got yellow. Yeah. Let's get one for your bike. For your bike, yeah. What color you want?
Pink, purple.
What color? Pick a color. All right, I'm gonna get gold because I want her wheels to be gold.
You want this?
Yes. You want that one?
No.
So this is a paint and a primer. This is a paint and a primer too. So like, do I need to? Let me see, because I need to see which ones I need to. Girl, boy, you're not even getting nothing.
I am. I'm getting her. She wants that color. You don't want that color? You want orange? You want orange or pink? No. No. Which one you want, Lonnie? Are you sure? You don't want pink? Pink?
Oh, pink.
You want pink? Or you want red? Or you want orange? What do you want?
I want pink.
This one?
I
That? Which one? This one? You want both of them? Okay, you want that one? Okay. Oh, you want to put that one back? Go right here. Go right here. Help. Okay, put that one back. Okay. You want this one?
Oh.
Yeah? Alright, put it in the cart. Put it in the cart.
I want to. I figured I just might as well.
You help? Good job.
Which color do you want, my mom? Well, this one's clear though. Come on. Okay, what about peach? You want to get inside? Okay. Oh, Lord. This is what it's like shopping with a toddler. So if you're ever thinking about going to the store, this is what we're working with. All right, so what about peach? You like peach? What about this one? All right, so we're already getting gold. That's going to be for your little tires. Oh, my God. It's going to be for your tires. What color do you want? All right, we're going to back it up. Ready? Hold on.
She wants to get down.
You want to get down? I need to know what color you want. So look, so there's purple. It's going to go with the gold. So there's, I'm going to put this one back because I don't need this. But there's purple, pink. I mean, this is gold. I don't know my colors. So this is peach, salmon color, pink, light pink, purple. Which you want purple?
That's purple.
Okay, so we're gonna do purple bike. Which color you want? Look, they have mint green, they have blue, they have yellow. You wanna get down now? All right, this process is gonna be a little bit longer than I thought. Come on, let's go. And what? What? You wanna? But you can't hang on like that.
I think she wanted to sit down in the car.
Okay, back in color. Green, blue, yellow, pink, purple, orange. Okay. So I guess I'm figuring this out by myself. What do you guys think about these two? No? These two?
No. I think that
This one?
yeah, I think that one and this one or that one would be nice with the gold. But she wanted
Not this
a
one.
hotter.
Not this color.
She wanted this color, and then no, she wanted this one, and then she wanted this one, and then she wanted this one. So,
All right, so we're gonna try all three of these. She about to have an Easter bake.
yep.
Looks like it.
I mean,
all right.
I like the pastel.
He said to use this bonding thing, but it's a color, and I don't want a color. And it firmly the top coat. I'm just gonna try it without the bonding glove. We're gonna see how it turns out. Hopefully, it don't look ratchet, but we're gonna figure it out. You want to sit up here? You playing musical cart? Come on. All right. There we go. Now we're going to strap you in. Whoop. All right, ready? We're out of here.
Sis was shook.
Huh?
Sis was shook when you put the seat.
Huh? What do you want? There's a lot of people in there. So we'll run through here. Excuse me. What? What now? Huh? What do you want? The paint? Can we check out first? How about we check out? Paint? Well, you're not about to use it right now, that's for sure. Actually, you're not going to use it at all. We're going to go check out. All right. Let's go. You want bag? What, with the paint in it? Here we go. So back to the house we go so we can get this bike all painted up. Look, bubbles. Is that bubbles? No.
Yes, it is.
What is it? Look. You gotta go like this. Look, Lonnie. Okay. I haven't done this in a while. Wait, hold this. Hold this. Ready? Go like this. Look, my mom. Okay.
So none of that. None
Maybe you'll be a little bit better than me. Go ahead. Put it on. You got this. Or not.
Y'all see her with the Hirachis?
Go, Lonnie. Go, Lonnie. All right, let's go inside. Come on, let's go inside. All right, well, bring that inside then. Come on, bring the thing inside. All right.
Stay 6 feet apart from me.
Goodness.
6 feet apart from me. Let them know.
Where are they? What are they called?
What they called?
What they called?
I don't know if I ain't got room for these. I had to clear it out earlier.
Look, she trying to put them on her fingers. No, don't open it. Don't open it.
All right, give Mommy a second.
Don't touch your face. No.
Well, I'm gonna use this one because it's the only one that they have. They had this really nice lip gloss here. Just one time. I ain't seen it since.
Toothpaste.
Oh, fish.
Alright, so we're gonna get you this. This one. Got you this one.
She got her own.
Alright, put that one back. We got this one. Put that one back.
Thank you.
For listening.
Oh, put it like this.
What, girl?
Ammo. Ammo. See, ammo.
That's just bibs, and you're too big for that. You don't wear bibs anymore. Oh, maybe we can make a DIY shirt. These dollar t-shirts. I didn't even know if they sold them anymore. All right.
If you want Lonnie merch, comment down in the description. You want Lonnie merch?
Wait a minute, y'all. Oh.
What are you doing?
A boy don't fall.
Huh? Mommy, look.
And like the paint things for the tube.
Say, Mommy, look what I got.
Put them back. You got some.
Oh.
Oh. The other way.
Oh.
No, no, this one, this one.
Help.
Need help? No, this one. This one. Help?
Yeah, help.
No, man, we don't have that.
Yeah, come on.
Finally, we are back home and back to doing what we originally started, which was remaking over this bike. Now, I originally bought this bike for a friend's son of mine, but I ended up not seeing them for a really long time, and he has now outgrown the bike, and it is the perfect age range for Lonnie, so I just figured I'd remake it. I've seen a couple of people online doing different plastic DIYs with spray paint, so I just figured I'd give it a try. So right now I'm actually just taking all of the items out of the box, and if you can actually see, it's like blue, gray, and black, which is definitely boy colors. I probably could have left it like this, but I wanted to make it a tad bit more girly for her, so this is the process.
There's screwdrivers.
Is the screwdriver on here? I don't even see screwdriver as an option. These are gonna have to be spray painted, whatever those are. Oh, here they are right here. Of course it needs screws. Of course. Of course. Freaking course. Of course it does. All right, so should I put something down? Like, should I break open this box?
Maybe.
I can't even get this off. Pinch and pull. How do you pinch and pull? Oh my God. Jesus. All right, it's not coming off. Pinch and pull.
Do you need help?
Yeah. So we had to break the lid off. So this is what the color looks like once I started spray painting it. It's like a really light pink. I'm just going through and just spray painting over top of all of that gray so that it does become this full color. And this is actually going to take me a couple of coats for me to do. Now I'm just going to take the other color that I got. I was a little upset because it came out like copper gold and not the gold that I seen. And with this one, for some odd reason, all the spray paint kept on slipping off. So in the end result, we actually had to do a couple of coats because for whatever reason, this one was not trying to stick. Now I'm just going over those gold pieces again and trying to cover up all of those blue spots. And it was definitely sticking better the second time around.
Hey, DIY, hey, DIY.
Hey, 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 hey. Kill it. Quarantine. Coronavirus. Get it.
So here I just taped around the rim of the bike so that way it didn't get on the black. And then I tried my best just to kind of like spray paint over top of where the paint was the gold color because I didn't want it to be blue because the bike isn't supposed to be blue. So yeah, I'm just going through and doing the same thing I did to the other pieces. Okay, so I sprayed some spray paint in a cup. This was just a little too gold for me. So I'm going to go ahead and I don't know what I'm doing, but we're going to see how this turns out. You think it's coming out all right?
Yep.
All right, cool. Now, after I got all of the pieces dry from the spray paint, I just started putting the bike together with its screws and kind of assembling it the way that the box was telling me to assemble the bike together. It was actually a lot harder than I thought because the directions weren't that clear. It just told you what you had, and it was kind of like on your own from there, but we ended up figuring it all out. Here I am actually putting on the wheels to the bike. This was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. I don't know what was up with those tires, but they didn't do too good of a job at making this thing. Obviously, it was a lot cheaper than what I thought it was, but hey, you get what you pay for. But we finally got it together after some time. Once we went through the struggle of putting the wheels on, we then had this struggle of putting on the handlebars. But we finally got it all together and put the bike together. And once it was all done and put together, this is exactly what the bike looked like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took a lot of time, but you know, I just appreciate you guys watching.